Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a very exciting new launch from MAC. It is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm getting it in like a whole kerfuffle because I'm like so excited, and you guys will be too. Let's just take a minute. This is the MAC Electric Wonder collection, and this is, well done MAC. Like, this is beyond goals, very Instagrammable, very gorgeous. And I like to also say is that the UK have got it first before anywhere else. Yay! It's about time. So as soon as I got this collection, I couldn't wait to sit down and film a first impressions and review, demo, swatch kind of video for you guys, because it is absolutely stunning. Just a disclaimer, these were gifted to me. I went to a makeup masterclass with their head makeup artist Dominic, and they kindly gifted me some of the collection. So I have this gorgeous eyeshadow palette, which we're going to talk about in a second. I've also got one of their powders, a lipstick, and a gloss. So I have 4 pieces here that I would love to share with you, and of course all opinions are my own. I've actually lost the press release that it came with. I don't know where I put it, but I will link a blog post down below where you can get more details about this collection and other shades of lipsticks, the different palettes, and also where you can buy it. Just looking on their website, I mean, they have a really wide array of colors to suit everybody, but this is very much, I mean, this is like perfect for Coachella. Like, why didn't I get invited? But yeah, it's all about that bronze. It's bringing back the bronze for summer. But I'll show you this palette here, which is the Natural Vice. You get 12 shadows in here, and I would say the most electric shade in here is this shade, the yellow one, which is called Struck Gold, which is that shade there. But the rest is very wearable, gorgeous. I mean, you're gonna get that ultimate gorgeous glow, and that is one of the makeup looks that I love. I'm all about the glow. I'm all about a natural bronzy look. I feel like these sets of 12 shades are gonna suit me to a T. So let's get stuck into it. So you have in this palette 6 matte shades and 6 shimmer shades. Nicely convenient, all the mattes are there, all the shimmers are here, and they look really, really nice. So I'm just going to quickly swatch these for you right now. So here are all the matte shades I have for you. I never seem to be able to get swatches in a straight line. It's so annoying. So this shade here is called Fab Accent. This one is called Pleasing the Eye. Then we have this like peachy shade called Valley of the Goddess. We've gone a little bit darker here. This lovely brown shade is called Cork. This one down below is called Magmatique. And then the darker matte shade is called Natural Vice. Hopefully there you can all see it. Now on to the shimmer shades. So this one here is called Sun Tweaked. Then we have Diamond Butterfly, my favorite, Struck Gold. Then we have Desert Rose Mance, which is a really gorgeous color. And then here we have Go Wilder. And then finally we have Rebel Pebble. And what I also love in this palette is that you have a very big size mirror here. So you can take this on your travels to a festival, wherever you're going, and be rest assured that you could be doing your makeup wherever you are. So I am now gonna test this out on my eyes. I'm gonna do a very glowy eye makeup look, something that I feel very confident in, kind of matching what I'm wearing, kind of very peachy but bronzy at the same time. And I'll let you know my thoughts at the end of my eye look. So this is the look I created. I absolutely love it. All these shades are totally me, and I have to say the struck gold on the inner corner of the eye has just turned this from a basic smoky eye look that I can do on a night out to wow, it has that electric power to it. So I absolutely love that. The formulas are absolutely amazing. I mean, that is what's to expect from MAC. They've done it perfectly and professionally. They glide on really well, and especially when they are wet. I just use my MAC fixing spray and it literally just turned the shadows more extreme and up the volume. I definitely am going to be wearing this for the rest of the day because I think it goes with everything. It's just so gorgeous. But that gold in the inner corner of the eye, which you could do with any of the other shades here, like wet it and really intensify it. But so far, oh, love it, love it, love it. Right, and the brushes I use, if I haven't already mentioned, are the Spectrum's new Disney brushes, which are so chic. I've actually done a review, so I will link that down below if you want to see how these test out. But they're amazing. I absolutely love these, and they're limited edition, so you better be quick. I'm now going to move on to let's move on to the powder. Now I have shade Serenity Seeker. There are other shades, and like I said, I don't have the press release with me, so please check out my blog post for other shades that this comes in. But this is like a beautiful, if you can see, it's very mosaic. It's got pinks in there, gold, bronze, so oh, and a good size mirror as well. You know what, I'm definitely going to be keeping these packages. Like, this is just every makeup lover, collector, like this in your makeup stash. Yeah, even just on display. Anyway, I'm digressing. I love the gold accents on the inner corner as well. It just makes it look super luxe. I kind of wish they kind of followed it through though inside, but it's okay. So yeah, this is kind of being advertised as a iridescent powder, so I would probably use this like kind of really all over my face. I'm gonna swatch it first for you. Oh, it's like a peachy bronze. Wow, like this is, as you can tell, this is all my tones, like wow. So this is really gonna go again with olive skin tones if you've got more of a yellow undertone to your skin. I mean, I'm pretty pale on my hands. I haven't fake tanned, and I would say that it really just kind of brings it to life. So give it a whirl and just glow up my face. But can you just tell? Let me maybe on this side. It warms up the face, yet it gives you that really nice glow. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that glow? Really natural, really beautiful. So with MAC, I haven't tried one of their powders in a really long time. Of course, I love their lipsticks, their lip pencils, and some of their eyeshadows, so I have those constantly stocked. But face powders and bronzers, I haven't used in a really long time. Obviously, was it Global Glow or Tribal Glow? Some of the highlighters I loved, but once they were kind of finished, I didn't go back and repurchase. But this is like so versatile. This is definitely something I will keep refilling and stocking up in my kit, but obviously it is a limited edition, which sucks. So I'm gonna see if I can find something that's similar to this before it runs out. But yeah, I love how that looks. So lovely. Okay, so that is the powder. Now I've got a lip gloss and a lipstick. Currently only have lip liner on, and this is Spice lip liner from MAC, of course, with just a little bit of lip balm, a gorgeous gloss with intense colour. Love that. And oh my gosh, what shade do I have? It doesn't say it on the bottom. Okay, bear with me, pause for the cause. Okay, so this shade is called Make Me Mercurial. It's very dimensional, so I'm going to try that on now. There are other colours. I believe there's 4 in the range. I know I'm probably wearing the wrong lip liner pencil, but I think 'cause this is so pigmented, it's going to cover my lip liner. So, oh my gosh. So, love that shade. That has glided on so nicely. It is like that intense shine. It's like very wet. I have got it on my teeth though. Can you see? I think that's more my fault though, because I didn't do the... yeah. Which is like pretty standard for any person wearing a big gloss like this. So... yeah, it feels really comfortable on my lips. I absolutely love the colour. At first, when I was given this, I have to be completely honest, I wasn't 100% sure. I thought, I don't know about this, but I like this colour. And you know what? I need to start wearing more colours on my lips. I say this all the time, but yeah, I always go back to my nudes. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my makeup bag. And I'm going to start wearing this a lot more. Okay, so just taking the lip gloss off, and oh, I absolutely love it, but I do have this gorgeous, let's just take a moment to appreciate this lip bullet for this gorgeous nude. So this is called Let's Mess Around. I just can't wait to try this either. It's more of a pinky nude, so it's something I haven't really got in my collection. Ooh. So that is what it's like swatched on the back of my hand. It has a very sheen to it, so it's not a matte shade. I don't know why I thought this would be a matte. Look really nice, perfect for spring, summer. So I think I've just found my new favourite lipstick for 2019. I love this. I mean, it definitely gives my look a whole different vibe, but I think this for nighttime with this eye look is a different look. I've been saying look too much. Right, so yeah, definitely love this. It glides on so easily. Like I said, there are different shades. Please check out my link to my blog post where it will have all the information. I've probably said that like 4 times already, but I just don't want you guys to miss out on this stunning limited edition that the UK have got first. So leave a comment down below, what is your favourite product that I have. It's a pretty tough call, but I don't know if I like these two the most. But I do, overall, this whole collection is like apps. I love it all, and I can't wait to go in the store and actually swatch what other colours they have. Guys, that is it. I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. Please give this a thumbs up because it would help me so much so I can get more exclusives for you guys and hopefully more giveaways. But it's all down to you and your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.